All right, boys. So, brand new release on Higgsfield, a brand new feature, Higgsfield Popcorn. Now, I wanted to go over this and make a YouTube video on it because I think if you're watching my free content and you want to get started just with the free content, then by all means do so. But I just wanted to create this video just to give you as much free value as possible and just let you know that I'm ahead of the game. And I'm always staying up to date with what's going off. And Higgsfield Popcorn is a brand new feature on Higgsfield, which is, if you didn't know, the AI platform we use to actually create our model and a few other bits. But this is crazy. This is revolutionary. Higgsfield Popcorn, I'm going to break it down right now. And if you are currently doing AI OFM, right, you've currently got an AI model, I highly recommend you go and check out Higgsfield Popcorn. Go and have a play around with it because it's super good for these next few reasons. I'm going to list that right here. So Popcorn on Higgsfield is like a smart sequence generator. Yeah, that's essentially what it is. It generates related images in a sequence, right? So sort of like a whole scene or story that stay consistent in background, outfit, lighting, and character. You can tell that the images should build on each other like a mini storyboard or evolving scene. Image just generates a single image based on your prompt, no sequence or connection between pictures. So yeah, basically Popcorn is a series or a storyline generator, super good for scripts. And an image, of course, is just a one-shot generator, of course. So it generates you consistent images. It makes it 10 times more realistic. It's helpful for IG posts and it's insane for scripts. That's what I really wanted to go over in this video because you've got an entire scene of different pictures, but in the same like sequence. So you might have one image where she's sat on a kitchen counter, then the second image she's standing up, and then the second image she's waving. But it's all the exact same background. It's all the exact same thing going on, right? We're not there yet where AI is completely perfect every single time. And even if you run a prompt with one generation that you do, there might be a plant in the background. With another generation with the exact same prompt, there might not be a plant. The marble kitchen table might be light grey. In the new generation, same prompt might be dark grey. So what Higgsfield Popcorn lets you do is just edit an image, right? And lets you do it in a way where you can just create like a storyline of set images. So it's super good for scripts, boys. Like, if you didn't know what a script is as well, it's essentially just a sequence of images we send to the guy. But as we get further along the script, we make the content more explicit and we charge more per piece of content. So that's how you really get the guy more intrigued, right? More involved into the conversation. You make it more explicit as you go along, which means you can also charge more. You don't want to just be chatting and sending him like one picture, right? And then the next picture be a picture. No, let's say you're chatting. You send her a picture of you in the living room, right, in the lounge. He unlocks it and then you send a picture of your model in the shower, right? It's inconsistent. The whole point of chatting is to make it seem like it's happening there and then in real time. So it's as realistic for the guy as possible. Remember, we're selling an experience here. We're not just selling pornography. We're not selling pictures. It's an experience for the guy and it needs to come across as if it's happening in real time. And this is so revolutionary for AI models because at the moment we're limited to what we can do, but now we can do a whole bunch of shit. So let's say do X. The subscriber wants to buy a pay-per-view, but he thinks the AI model isn't real, or he just wants her to prove that she's real. You can do wave if you're real, right? So I've done a few prompts here, right, for the Higgsfield Popcorn. Make her wave. She's looking to her left. She's putting two fingers up, and as you can see, the background is the exact same, right? It's the exact same fucking shit. The same plant, the same marble table in the exact same engravings on. Okay, and it's just fucking super ultra realistic, and it's gonna give the guy the best experience he possibly can. So yeah, it's super good for chatting. It's super good for IG posts as well. You know, if you've got a IG post where she's waving, you can do the second post. You can be looking to the left. You know, just to add some variation, so you're not just posting one solid picture. So yeah, boys, I just wanted to basically go over Higgsfield Popcorn and make you aware of the feature because a lot of people aren't aware of these things, right? They stick to old shit, but there's new shit. There's always new shit coming out with AI. So yeah, boys, if you want to get in the private group where I go more into depth on everything to do with AIOFM, message me on Telegram. Okay, bye bye.